Hey guys, my name is Rose, and this is W update for the Blast Into Project Panning Project Pan. This is from the Fantastic Ladies, and yeah, I'll just get into the products. I'll start with the two that I'll be rolling out of this project because I got two this month, which is exciting. First is the Essence So Glow highlighter for Venus. If I can open this. Ugh. And my goal was just to hit pan, and I did that. Actually, I've used it 5, 6, 7, 8. I used it 8 times. I actually hit pan the first time I used it after the update, so it was like, but it was like teeny tiny. So I tried to expand it a little bit. I did mostly use it in my inner corners. I mean, I used it on my face too, but like it's kind of more difficult to use on my face. Today is on my face. It's not in my inner corner today. That's something else. But yeah, so this is rolling out of this project. I think I will put this in another project eventually though, but I'm just gonna take a break from it now. And so I'm gonna be rolling in actually this shade from the, what is this called again? Kylie Take Me on Vacation palette, which this one, and this shade is already in this project. And even though this is not really a pale yellow, I just want to get the most use out of this because I do want to try to finish this by next year, this whole palette. So it's like I'm gonna be focusing in on this a lot in these next like 3 months. So it's like, so yeah, this is the shade that's like all over. I tried to do like this look is kind of inspired by this new singer I started listening to called Tessa Violet, and her hair is like brown roots and like yellow, like bright yellow on the ends, and it's like really cool. But even though I used a white base, it didn't really show up that well on my eyes, but you can still kind of see yellow a little bit all over. But yeah, this is basically the only shade I used besides my inner corner, and then this I used for the liner kind of thing. I just stamped it on. I didn't use it wet or anything, but the other shades have very little progress. I think these two, I don't think these two I will get much progress in this year, but I think I will be able to hit pan on this. So now I'm gonna try for the rest of this project just to try to get as much use as I can out of those 4 shades. So yeah, those shades were, so that is the new Venus, and then the rest is for Mercury, Uranus, and Mars were the rest of those shades in that palette. Okay, and then next for Jupiter, I had the Body Shop Camomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover, and I was there last time, and now I'm empty, so that's good. So this is all gone and that stuff. So now for what I'm rolling in to this project is that'll be this St. Ives Apricot Scrub. I've used this a bit. It's a pretty small one, and if I use, like, if this was full and I use this consistently, like for my main face wash, I would probably get it done in like a month and a half usually. So I think this is about maybe halfway, so maybe only a third down, but I think this will be more like 2 or 3 months, and it's like, it's orange and it's white, so that's what I'm like putting in, and then it will get another face wash out. Even though this is like small, I still like count this as one. So yeah, I've been really wanting a scrub because my face has been breaking out so much lately. And I feel like it's been getting really oily lately too. So I've been really wanting a scrub. So I'm glad I can put this into a project and just walk this out because it's very small and it should be easy to walk out. So yeah. That's the new what planet was that? Jupiter one. So yeah. So what haven't? So now for where is this? For Saturn, I'll just talk about this one. Which this is the BH Cosmetics B palette by Bubs Beauty. And I'm working on only the shade from this palette. This is what is in my corner today. I really like this shade. This shade is so pretty. I don't think I'll have trouble hitting pan on it, even though I'm not really using these a whole bunch, these shades right now, because this last month I was really focusing on repairing that palette. Although this last month I have barely worn makeup too. So, but this next 3 months I'm gonna be focusing on these shades because my pan in the palette is ending in like 1 more month. So it's like, and the last month is gonna be a more relaxed month than the previous month. So, but yeah, so I think I will be able to hit pan on this pretty easy. So, but it's slowly getting there. Like I feel like today when I used it on my inner corner, I feel like it got a little bit deeper, but I don't know. These don't have a lot of product in this palette. I mean, it's only 8 grams for the whole 12 shades, so it's like pretty small. I'm really excited to be getting some use out of this because I really like this palette. I just don't use it. And that shade in particular is beautiful, so yeah. So next, let's talk about this. For Earth, I have just the gloss side. I put a little bit over the lipstick I'm wearing today, which the lipstick I'm wearing today is kind of like a sheeny, like metallic-y brown. So already, so I just put a little bit on, and it's like, I feel like if I look through it, it's like getting pretty empty. Like I feel like the whole center is kind of empty and there's just product on the bottom and on the top now. But I still think it's gonna take a little while to actually get it empty. So yeah, I've been, instead of storing it like this, the last like 2 or 3 months I've been storing it like this with the thing down to try to get, I don't think it's changing anything, but I'm still probably just store it until like that until the gloss is gone. But I've used it 9 times. I tried to use this 10 times a month, but I only got 9 this month because I haven't been, I feel like I've just been working on a whole bunch of things. But yeah, so I only got 9, but I'm still working on it. That is close to 10, so it's like close. And then I have this the Color Workshop eye pencil for Neptune, and I've used this twice, only twice. I have it in my waterline today, and that's one of the 2 times I used it. This project is kind of like the least project I'm working on, but I'm still working on these things, and I feel like I will start focusing on these more in the next month. So it's like, hopefully I can get some pan and stuff. But I still used up 2. Well, I didn't like use them up, but I hit go on 2 projects already, so that's good. But yeah, so that's that. I only used it 2 times, but yeah. And then the last item is for Pluto, and this is, I'm wearing this today. I only used it twice, so I don't think it looks any different from last month. But it's just a little sample anyway. So today I used it with a brush for the first time, because usually I use my fingers, but I kind of get annoyed using my fingers, so I tried using it with a brush, and I think I like the brush better. I feel like I've got more control of it that way. It's just a tinted moisturizer. It's the Laura Mercier tinted, which I think they reformulated. Like, I think they got rid of the old one and reformulated, and it's new now. But I wouldn't buy it anyways because this is like the shade is kind of too warm for me. But I can make it work since it's a tinted moisturizer. But yeah, I used it twice. And that's the last item. And that's what's for Pluto. So yeah. I don't know what my goal is for the next this next month. I don't know. Because I'm kind of just trying to finish off a couple other things in my 2 other projects this next month. So maybe I'll just try to get some progress on some of these items. Use them a couple times. I don't know. Like, but yeah, I hope you guys are making good progress. I mean, even so, I still did get 2 items out of this so far. So that's good. So, hope you guys liked this video, and hope you guys are doing good. So, talk to you guys later. Bye.